right now. I don't think so. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because you did on Saturday
No.
Night Live. You did do Chris Rock.
Right. But the show you're talking about right now
Yeah.
is Dean Edwards. But do
Yeah,
you
but
like orange juice? Do
yeah,
you
but
like orange juice? Do
yeah,
you
but
like orange juice?
Was in the strictest sense. Humor is an emotional attribute.
We're hearing. So we evolved to hear sound logarithmically. Logarithmically is basically when we interpret sound in increments. Logarithmically in terms of we don't really interpret sound from a linear perspective. We interpret sound non-linearly. And because we interpret sound non-linearly, this sort of this instrument, like let's say a string or any object or any sound that is created from a force, an already established fundamental force. So what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects. There's no commonality. It's like a bicycle and a milkshake. Just two contrasting